Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back and at it again. So today I am going to be showing you how I get this juicy chicken sandwich. It's going to be like a copycat Chick Fil A sandwich, but if you want to know the secret to how I get it this juicy, stay tuned because I will show you. It may look like Chick Fil A, but it tastes even better. Let's get started. So here I have my chicken tenderloins and a few chicken breasts sliced inside of a Ziploc bag. It's already cleaned and marinated. So I'm gonna show you the breading. I have my flour that I'm going to pour in this large bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and season it. So with the flour and the seasoning, that's giving you all your flavor. I am not going to season my chicken because the chicken flavor is going to come from that brine. So right now I have the paprika, the chili powder, I have my salt, and I have my black pepper. I will put the direct measurements down below in the description area, and I'll post them on the page as well. So this is going to be baking powder as well, a half teaspoon. And then I am going in with some powdered sugar. Now that is your secret to the breading to get that perfect taste and that lovely sweetness to the breading so that it just doesn't taste like flour. That seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk it all together, making sure it's mixed in very well. We do not want to see clumps of other colors other than all of it mixed in together. So now I am going to pour in about a cup of milk. This is carnation milk. Some people use buttermilk, some people use regular vitamin D milk. I like the carnation, it gives it a little bit more of a sweeter flavor. We're going to use 1 egg in that wet batter mixture. Before I actually whisk the egg and milk wash, I'm going to take out that little white part. I don't know what it's called. I am grossed out by it. It does not look like egg yolk. It does not look like the white of an egg, and I know it's not, so I like to take it out. Now I'm whisking it until it is all mixed in together. Alright, so now let's get ready to do this chicken. This is the part that I wanted to tell you. The secret to getting this chicken so juicy and soft and flavorful without putting seasoning on it is to marinate it in pickle juice. Yes, I said pickle juice. A lot of people don't know about that trick, and sometimes the chicken breast or the chicken tenderloins or whatever chicken they're using come out a little bit dry. So no, we're not gonna do that. So you saw me dip the chicken into the wet wash first, the milk and egg wash. Now I am patting it with the flour mixture. I am doing this so it sticks into that batter. I want it to become a flaky, and I want it to stick into that chicken. I don't want it to fall off. But the chicken is so juicy, it might fall off at the end. So I am going to double dip. This is the only time we can double dip. We don't double dip them chips, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into that wet wash one more time, like you saw. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it back into the flour mix. And just gonna go ahead and pat that in there, place it all over, make sure it's fully coated, pat that all in there. And we are going to dump it into some oil. I already got my oil heated up. Now don't mind my little kitchen setup, okay? I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I do everything. Now I'm going to place the coated chicken on a baking sheet that I lined with parchment paper. I would use a cooling rack if you don't have parchment paper. I want that breading to get a little moment to sit and rest into that meat. That's how you get your chicken breading to stick to your meat and not fall off of your meat, okay? After I allowed the coated chicken to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes on the parchment paper, I am going to dump it in the oil and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I like mine to get a golden brown crispy look on it. Now you see my breading is falling off just a little bit. While making this video, I had to cook for a family of 5, so it set a little bit too long. But either way, it's still going to come out good. A little breading falling off don't never hurt nobody. Now, I cooked the rest of the chicken off camera. I'm going in with my cheddar cheese, and this is the mild cheddar, and placing them on the chicken while it's hot, so that way it can melt good. Now I'm going in with my brioche buns. I don't know if it's brioche, but I'm going in with the brioche buns, placing them down on a baking sheet, and I'm going to put them in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to flip them over so it could get a nice even bake. Okay, so here I have what you call butter lettuce. It's called butter lettuce because it is so soft. So it comes in a package with the root. It's so it can stay fresher for a longer time. Now I usually like to go in the inside and pick my lettuce off the root because it usually does not have as much dirt as the outside leaves like you see here, and it is not like romaine lettuce. It's not like iceberg. It gives you a different flavor. No, it does not taste like butter, but it is soft to where it doesn't taste like you're eating a salad on your sandwich, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a good amount of pieces so I can go ahead and make all the sandwiches. It is not washed already. That is the downside. So you do have to pick them off and rinse them. Another thing I love about the butter lettuce is it looks so green and it's leafy and it tastes really good. So if for the next time you guys have a sandwich craving or you want to put it on a burger, I suggest you try this lettuce and put it on, and you will see what I'm talking about. It tastes really good. Now, for this sandwich, I have Chick Fil A's Polynesian sauce. They don't have any barbecue sauce of theirs in stores, so it's hard to find. I'm going to go ahead and make these sandwiches and put the pickles and all the goodies on it without the sauce. And when I eat it, I'm going to have the sauce on the side. I'm not going to give you guys a little ASMR, but one day you guys will probably see me do a taste test. If you would like for me to do a cooking video and do a taste test and let you guys know how it tastes in person on camera, let me know and I will go ahead and do that. So I already chopped up my tomatoes and I put the pickles on there. I have just the dill pickles that come in a jar. I rinsed off my lettuce as you saw. Now I'm placing my chicken on there, and we're gonna go ahead and put that top bun on there. Yes, it looks so delicious. Now if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Comment your favorite part of the video, or if you have any other recipes you want me to try and do a video on. And if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe if you like the content. Now I am going to be coming back with my other content that I was doing before. I just wanted to show you guys what I have been up to lately, cooking for my family. All right, bye you guys.